Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Rockstar Games' "Sorry, we're unable to handle your request at this time" error 1.500.7 in your game. So if you've been stuck and can't play, follow along step by step to get it working. Alright, let's dive in. First, we need to check your internet connection. Go to your search bar, type View Network Connections, open it up. Now find your active network adapter, the one you're using to connect to the internet, either Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Right-click it and select Properties. Next, click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, and then Properties. Here, select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the following. For the preferred DNS server, type 8.8.8.8. For the alternate DNS server, type 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save your settings. Now, right-click your network device again and choose Disable. Leave it disabled for 15 to 20 seconds, then re-enable it. This refreshes your connection and can fix many network-related errors. Next, go to your search bar, type Date and Time Settings, and open it up. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Then, scroll down and press Sync Now. Wait a few seconds, then try launching your game again. If the error is still there, we need to check your Rockstar account. Open your browser and go to rockstargames.com. Click on the profile icon and sign in. Once logged in, click the profile icon again and go to Account Settings. Next, go to Linked Accounts. If you have any linked accounts, unlink them first, then link them again. This usually resolves the problem completely. And that's it. Following these steps should get your game back up and running. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.